ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ BCom ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ EDP ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುವಂಥ 5 ಅಂಕದ ಎರಡನೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು, ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳುವಂಥ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಕೀ ಉತ್ತರನ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕೇವಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಓನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು 2ರಿಂದ 3 ಲೈನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಪ್ರಿನ್ಯೂರ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರೀಫ್. ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಪ್ರಿನ್ಯೂರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ assumption of risk, promotion of venture, organization and assemble of necessary factors, form of ownership, achieving goals. So next question, explain the functions of RUDACTI. Developing organization, developing interventions, administration and training system and process for RSETIS. Developing EDP skill training courses for RSETIS. Evaluation study of RUDACTI and RSETIS. Designing and implementing customized non-training interventions for managing RSETIs. Research and development in the field of entrepreneurship development. Next question, explain the functions of SFS. Providing long-term finance to industrial units of sole traders, partnership firm, company and cooperative societies. Subscribing to equity and debenture issue of industries concern. Providing financial assistance to small and medium enterprises engaged in transport, tourism, hotels. Providing financial assistance to technically qualified entrepreneur. Providing working capital and short-term needs. Next question, briefly explain the functions of CDOC. Contribution in growth of entrepreneurship culture, spirit and entrepreneurship development in developing countries. The center of learning for trainer motivations and on entrepreneurship development. Contribute to the dispersal of entrepreneurship and thus expand the social base of the entrepreneurial class in urban or rural areas. It improves the managerial capabilities of small entrepreneurs. It produces multiplier effected on opportunities for self-employment. Next question, explain the functions of SIDB. To provide term finance to the small scale sector. Refinancing through PLI, primary lending institutions like state finance corporations, SIDC, etc. Discounting and rediscounting of bills. Direct finance scheme for specialized marketing agencies. Providing venture capital fund to new ventures promoted by the technocrats and other entrepreneurs. Next question, state the functions of DIC. Registration. So under registration, the points are permission to avail industry plot or area in industrial estates. To avail power telephone connections on priority. To get financial assistance. To apply for the tax concessions. To avail raw materials at concessional rates through government quota. Marketing of product through government agencies. Second point, financial assistance. Third point, seed money. Fourth point, entrepreneurs development program. Next question, explain functions of EDP. Skill development, motivation and mindset change, opportunity identification, project formulation, resource mobilization, entrepreneurial cultural building, employment generation, post training support. So these are the important questions comes under functions. We will discuss next method in the next video. Thank you.